designing that particular product, he is like thinking about how to make that particular thing, that is a very important for him. Then why he is making that objective behind that particular designing, and then for whom, that is a very important. And then when we say whom, at that time the customer range comes in front of the comes in into the picture, gender, age, then which sector of the society, all these things are taken into consideration when the industrial designer develops that particular kind of a design. So, here what you can say that customers get a very satisfactory experience whenever they are using that product. So, this is what the task, or this is the objective of that industrial design, that will give that experience of a satisfaction to the customer.